How is it going? Your pleasure for tuning in on this week's episode. So today is Tuesday, and it just got to my entry time. I've seen an entry. I got into this entry while preparing to sit down on my trading table. So let's just get right into the laptop and see what price is actually doing. Remember, I analyze and then go and bath. So while I was getting prepared, I saw that my entry confirmation has presented itself and it was my entry time. So I had to get in. So without talking any further, let's just get right into the laptop and let's see how the trade is playing. And let me show you guys why I actually sold
The
USD card.
15 minutes time frame. Well, I marked my highs and lows, and even though we are overall bullish, at the end of the day, if you check on the 4 hours or the daily, we are actually like consolidating. So buyers or sellers can actually go in this phase. That if we come here, we'll be expecting more buys, and it's Monday already. So price came to take out these highs on Monday. Now we're looking for price to come back to this point. I'll be looking for more of bulls if price breaks above here and more of sells if price breaks below here. But in this part, I'm neutral. I'm just going where the money is flowing. So went to my 1 hour and saw my highs. Let me just quickly take you guys through what I saw my highs and then saw this low. What I was expecting was simple. Once I see a break below the low, I get in. And apparently, it just got to my entry time and I already saw this break below. So I got in stops above the high, targeting 1 is to 2. Let's see how this trade plays out. It's a consolidating market. So I went a little bit of light risks. It was not my complete risk. So let's see how this trade actually plays out. Anything can happen in this market right now since we are consolidating. It's not yet time to rejoice because price is moving in our favor. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated how this trade plays out.
How is it going, everyone? So update on that trade. It's the first trade of the week and we're already hitting SL. So today's trade actually hits stop loss. And I'm not even surprised because we are pretty much consolidating on the higher time frame. I just decided that let me manage my risks and pay the fine to find out if there's opportunity there today. And apparently not. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what the market has for us. Or we pretty much might just sit out this whole consolidation and wait till other part is being broken. But it is what it is. Stop loss trade today. Well, it's just the start of the week. Let's see what this week holds for us. Well, alright, so what's up, everyone? Another day, another dollar. Or another day to take my dollar. Whichever way, I'm currently selling USD card right now, guys. And let me just take you guys to the laptop and show you guys why I'm actually selling USD card. So yeah, guys. Another day to see if there's opportunity in the market. We're still inside the range, and we just reacted off of the 4 hours support level. So guys, they might come take out the stop loss, but I'm pretty much kind of confident about this one because price just went straight down. So I'm expecting like a retest and then a reaction of that point. Well, let me just quickly take you guys to the laptop and show you guys why I'm actually selling
Minutes
USD
time
card.
frame. Apparently, price is reacting off from the 4 hours major support, which is this zone that I've marked below here. But I went on my 1 hour and saw that price is pretty much printing lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So apparently, price made this whole push during Asian slash London session. So I was expecting for price to come back to retest this low and then continue the retracement. So apparently, as price comes back to that low, remember my retest playbook. Price has to give me a close above my area of interest and then give me another candlestick below. So as soon as I saw this candlestick below and then the next candlestick coming to tap my entry, I got in stops just above Asian highs, targeting 1 is to 2. So I will definitely keep you guys updated how this trade plays out. Let's see, guys. Hello, so what's up, guys? It's a new day, and I just remembered that I've not updated you on yesterday's trade. and it's already 12 o'clock p.m. Nigerian time, and it's by this time I start looking for entry. So I'm going to my trading seats very very soon. I mean, I'm just getting prepared. I just finished taking my beats and now I'm getting prepared. I'm rubbing cream. Yeah. So well, kind of in this trade. Okay, 12 o'clock p.m. US time yesterday, I took off 50% partials. And then the other 50% partials I took out at the end of the daily candlestick. So leaving one position running right now. And guys, I told the price is pretty much reacting from that 4 hour support. It's really, really hard for price to break below it. So I'm just still keeping my eyes open, and today's trading opportunities, they're not looking nice, they're not looking sexy. So I don't even know if I will get an entry today. But it is what it is. I have committed to this trade. I will just let my system play out and we'll see the outcome of this trade. Stop loss or take profits right now. So let's see. We've achieved our goal for the trade, obviously. Like, my goal for each trade is if I'm going to be able to come out in a much lesser loss than my intended risks for that day. And yesterday I was risking about $55 because we're in the range. Normally I'm supposed to risk $60, but let's see how this trade plays out, guys. I'll definitely keep you guys updated.
So what's going on, you? It's Friday, and I don't feel like trading today. Okay, because apparently it was this morning I just woke up and saw that our day before yesterday's trade, that is the trade we took on Wednesday, was it to take profit this Monday, guys. I mean, this trade stressed me the fuck out. I'm sorry for my language, but this trade really stressed me. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, um, take profits. And I don't feel like trading today, so why come into the market and risk and then irrational decisions take over because I'm scared of losing today or something? It's Friday, let me just book in this one. It's more or less like a break-even week for me, even though I'm enjoyed them a little bit. But I'll show you guys the piano on the outro. So that's it for that trade. I just wanted to come and update you on how the trade finally played out. I'll see you guys soon. So what's going on, everyone? That officially brings us to the end of this week's episode. And before I even start saying anything, guys, let me just put my P and L for this week. Eh, I don't even know what to say. But this is more or less like a break even week for me. I'll call it a break even week. And this gets to show you that the market is always right. My first trade for this week, it was a loss, but it reversed back into our direction just after it took results. Yeah, many people will call that manipulation or whatever. It is. It kind of is because price coming back to that highs to take out orders before it moves. It needed that liquidity. So the market is always right. Even if I was not in that trade, the market will also do what it has to do. You guys just have to realize that and don't try to revenge trade because after that thing happened, the next trade I wanted to take a counter trend trade, and then maybe when price gets to my area of interest, I'll now start taking my main trade. I just realized that that was not me thinking, that was my emotions from last trade because price came to take us out, and I'm like, I'll show you. Look, if you try to show price, price will show you. Price will show you. Okay? But yeah, that's just it. That's my lesson for this week. Price is always right. The market is always right. And we just have to adapt. We keep showing up. And see, I didn't even come out in a larger loss, irrespective of having to take an L earlier this week. But I hope you guys are learning something from this episode. I honestly hope you guys are learning something from this episode. Make sure you guys tag along. Like, subscribe, be part of this family. Okay? Put down in the comment section how your week went. Did they manipulate you? Did they manipulate your stop loss? Or did you guys eat plenty take profit? If you take profit, remember me in paradise. Oh, okay. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I appreciate you guys turning up if you watched to this extent. I appreciate you. So yeah, guys. Bye for now. Peace out.